Have you ever thought of you and your family feeling confident and secure, knowing you're prepared for whatever life throws your way? That's the magic of financial planning for families. It's not about complicated charts or fancy terms, it's about working together to make smart choices with your money so you can enjoy today and dream big for tomorrow. Here in this video, we are going to discover how to build a financial plan that fits your unique family, with simple steps and ideas that empower you to reach your goals. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get regular updates. Let's get started. What is family financial planning? The process of family financial planning is a methodical procedure that entails evaluating, controlling, and optimizing the financial resources of a family to accomplish particular short-term and long-term objectives while simultaneously providing financial security and stability. People are already familiar with the fundamental principles of financial planning before they decide to become a financial counselor. Working with families, on the other hand, makes the process more complicated because it necessitates taking into account the financial requirements, goals, and levels of risk tolerance of numerous members of the family. How to create a family financial plan? The process of developing a financial plan for the family is straightforward. Nevertheless, it does require the participation of all members of the family and the completion of some significant conversations. The one who makes the most money or the one who is savior with money is not the one who gets to make those decisions. The most important thing is to work together as a team to ensure that everyone is happy. There is more to it than just a combination of dollars and cents. The steps that need to be taken to establish a family financial plan that is optimal for all members of the family, whether they are children, spouses, or long-term partners, are as follows. Number 5. Set financial goals for the family. Set both long-term and short-term financial goals for your family. This will help you understand why you need to be following your plan. It could be something that will happen a long time from now, like saving for a house, college, or retirement. Or it could be short-term goals like getting a backup fund together, paying off debt, or going on a family trip. After making a list of your goals, you might want to use some general tips to improve your plan. The 50-30-20 rule is a good one because it keeps things easy. This is how it works. Out of your income, you put 50% towards your needs, like food, shelter, utilities, etc., 30% towards your wants, like fun things to do, eating out, traveling, etc., and 20% towards investments and savings. You can change the way the money is broken down by percentages or try a whole new method. Don't be afraid to try different ones until you find the best one for your family. Putting some limits on your plan is very important. Number 4. Insurance protection. Getting insurance is important for protecting a family's financial future. Financial experts look at their clients' current insurance plans and suggest more coverage if it's needed. This should include life insurance to take care of loved ones if you die too soon, long-term disability insurance to recover lost wages if you get sick or hurt and can't work, and property and liability insurance to protect your home and other valuables. Long-term care, LTC, insurance can also be a part of it when your parents get older and need care. Number 3. Allocating resources. Resources must be used wisely in a family financial plan to meet the wants and set priorities for everyone in the family. Setting up joint and caretaker bank accounts, making a budget that includes shared costs, figuring out how much to save for specific goals, and choosing the right investment strategies are all things that can be done to do this. Setting up tax advantage accounts for family members, like individual retirement accounts, IRAs, can also be part of it. Financial advisors are very important because they help families make smart choices about how to spend their money so they can get the most out of their money. Number 2. Create a family budget. Why do you need a budget to help you plan your family's money? You can't handle something that you can't command. The cash must be tracked. As of April 2023, 73% of parents said they were having trouble keeping up with their bills. This makes it more important than ever to keep track of where your money is going. Here is a general outline of how to do it every month. Add up all your income. Include your paychecks and any other sources of income you may have, such as child support. Add up all your expenses. Start with your fixed expenses like your mortgage/rent, car payments, tuition, utilities, cell phone, etc. Next, list flexible expenses like groceries, entertainment, etc. Save and invest the rest. Subtract all of your expenses from your income and see what you have left. This money should be allocated to savings and investments. Keep track regularly. Continue tracking your progress and ultimately make changes where necessary. For example, if one month you notice your expenses reach above a certain threshold that impacts the amount you can save, it may be time to adjust. Number 1. Retirement planning. For many families, the goal is to retire together. If it applies, a good retirement plan for couples includes a thorough and well-coordinated approach that makes sure both people have the resources and money strategies that work for them. You should put money into any 401 or 403 plans your company offers and make the most of any available employer matches. When compared to other ways to save for retirement, these plans may allow you to make bigger contributions and offer tax benefits. You should try setting up both of your spouse's IRAs, either traditional or Roth, based on their income, tax situation, and eligibility. This is in addition to employer-sponsored plans. IRAs offer extra tax breaks and investment choices, which help couples spread out their retirement savings and make the most of their long-term financial plan. You should also know how important it is to review and rebalance your investment portfolios regularly to keep the asset mix and risk profile you want. What to do if you're worried about money? If things are getting on top of you, the most important thing is to talk. Speak to your partner, and if they're old enough, your children, about the household finances. Work out as a family where you could save money and discuss what you're hoping to be able to pay for in the future. While you might not want to worry your family, this affects them too, and including everyone in the financial decision-making can help your family understand how they can help, even if it's simply by switching off the lights when they leave a room. It's also a valuable lesson for children in managing their own finances when they're older. Importance of family financial planning. The establishment of a complete roadmap that covers the various financial needs and goals of each member of the family while simultaneously maintaining overall financial stability and growth is the fundamental objective of family financial planning. The purpose of a family financial advisor is to act as a guide for families as they go through this process by offering them expert advice, important insights, and individualized solutions that are tailored to their particular circumstances and objectives. Families can explore choices that they may not have had access to in the past, such as purchasing a home or beginning a family company, when they work off of a plan which gives them a sense of purpose and enables them to experience the things that they want to experience. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, leave it a thumbs up and let me know what other topics you'd like to see covered in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.